The online Nitya Dhyan Yoga program had a huge turnout. More than 40 centers from around the world with over 300 participants participated in the 3-day program.
If you take the life of Harishchandra, even if lots of things are taken away from him, he didn't feel, oh, why is it taken away? What did I do to get all that? He didn't feel powerless. Instead, he was thinking, okay, life is telling me something, but still, I'll follow the dharma and integrity which I wanted to follow. He was thinking like that. So, what I feel is, instead of, like how you told that when you are powerless, you exaggerating yourself, instead of doing that, even in that particular moment, you can even exaggerate on Swamiji.
From my experience, when there were times where I was irresponsible and was inauthentic, and when somebody caught me, the time I exaggerated on Swami by, this is one more chance that Swami has given me to complete with my inauthenticity and make me become a more complete person and reach the consciousness. From that angle, I exaggerate on Swamiji, and immediately I feel complete and I'm able to actually drop the inauthenticity and go and expand further and further.
I don't think we should do what Swami does, but like what Swami told in the other day satsang, you should do what Swami tells, not what Swami does. Because whatever he does is like ultimate and we can't even comprehend it. How can he do what he does? So Swami told us to do what he tells.
I know like the right context why I should do some things, but I don't do it because I'm just lazy to do it. And even before I do that, I think, okay, I'm going to be lazy while doing this, so I don't want to do it, but I still end up doing it. So I kind of feel lazy to break my laziness. So how do I break that?
It is like you're asking a technique for the technique for the technique. It will not work like that. Only if you decide to do it in action, it is going to break. You can avoid just asking how to break the laziness of the laziness. So you just have to do it in action, and at that moment you have to break it.
You need to understand and you need to find out the technique which will click with you to make you, to put you in the space of more and more inspiration and make you feel that you are consciousness.
I was not in a position to do my NDY, and I told my sister, never, I have lots of work to do. With a heavy heart I came here. She pulled me and said, you have to do, and my brother also never allowed me, you have to do the Shiva Om experience. I never knew this Kundalini what is Kundalini awakening, but yesterday I experienced, with a heavy heart I came, and with a light heart I am floating today. So I want people to experience what is Shiva Om. It is not with words you can explain. They have to feel this. And I'm very thankful to Swamiji and my sister and brother also to make this happen. Thanks a lot.